So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lycamobile not receiving calls and text, VoLTE, network, reset and SIM fix. So why the Lycamobile not receiving call or text issue happens. This problem usually occurs due to disabled LTE internet network configuration, weak signal or SIM card issue. Sometimes temporary network outages or outdated phone software can also prevent incoming calls and SMS from reaching your device. So fix one is enable VoLTE on your phone. VoLTE allow calls to work properly on 4G networks. If it is disabled, incoming calls or text may not work. In Android, go open settings on your phone, then tap connections, then network and internet. Select mobile network, turn VoLTE calls or 4G calling on. Restart your phone and check if calls or text are received. In iPhone, open settings, then tap cellular, then select voice and data. Choose 4G LTE or VoLTE on. Restart your device. Fix 2 is turn airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your phone's network connection. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen. Turn airplane mode on, wait about 30 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. Wait for the network signal to reconnect. So third fix is restart your phone. A simple restart refresh network services and fixes temporary glitches. Press and hold the network power button, tap restart or reboot. Wait for the phone to turn back on. Check if you can receive calls and SMS. Fourth fix is reset network settings. Incorrect network settings can block incoming calls and text. Android, open settings, then tap general management or system. Select reset. Tap reset network settings. Confirm and restart the phone. In iPhone, open settings, then tap journal, then transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset. Tap reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Fifth fix is select network manually. Sometime your phone connect to the wrong carrier signal. Open settings, then go to mobile network or cellular. Tap network operator, turn off automatic selection. Manual select Lycamobile or the partner network. Sixth fix is check and reinsert the SIM card. A loose or damaged SIM can stop calls and text. Turn off your phone, remove the Lyca SIM card. Clean it gently with a dry cloth, reinsert it properly in the SIM tray. Turn the phone back on. Seventh fix is update your phone software. Outdated software can cause network compatibility issue. Open setting, then tap software update, select download and install. Install the latest update if available. Thank you.